Good afternoon. This presentation will discuss the Department of Veterans Affairs strategic plan with the following objectives, which are Department of Veterans Affairs organizational mission, key objectives and strategies of the Department of Veterans Affairs strategic plan. Also, the effectiveness of the Department of Veterans Affairs plan, and lastly, the reason why the Department of Veterans Affairs strategic plan will be effective for all stakeholders. The Department of Veterans Affairs organizational mission is to care for those who have served in the military and their families, caregivers, and survivors. The VA mission statement is to fulfill President Lincoln's promise to care for those who have served in our nation's military and their families, caregivers, and survivors. The strategic mission of the VA for fiscal year 2022 to 2028 is based on this mission and vision and aims to improve the quality of life outcomes and experience for veteran service members, their families, caregivers, and survivors. The strategic plan also describes how the VA will build and maintain trust with its customers, employees, partners through proven stewardship, transparency, accountability. The plan also is guided by 4 fundamental principles, which are access, advocacy, outcome, and excellence. There are key objectives and strategies for the Department of Veterans Affairs strategic plans. They are to enhance customer experience by listening to feedback, improving communication, simplifying process, expanding access, and delivering personalized service. To provide timely, accessible, and high quality health care by investing in infrastructure, technology, innovation, research, workforce, and partnership. To ensure veterans receive the benefits they earn by modernizing systems, streamlining claims, reducing backlog, increasing accuracy, and expanding research. There are more key objectives, which are to honor the veterans with dignified burials by maintaining national cemeteries, increasing interment options, preserving history, and promoting public awareness. To foster a culture of excellence by empowering employees, enhancing leadership, promoting diversity, equity, and inclusion, strengthening accountability, and ensuring safety. The effectiveness of the Department of Veterans Affairs strategic plans for all stakeholders, because it is based upon clear mission, vision, goals, and objectives and strategies that reflect the needs and preferences of veterans and their families, as well as expectations and requirements for the federal government and the public. The plan also incorporates input from various stakeholders such as the Veterans Employees Congress, partners, and experts through collaborative and iterative process that ensure alignment, accountability, transparency. The plan also leverages the unique strengths and capabilities of the VA3 administration, which are the Veterans Health Administration, the Veterans Benefit Administration, the National Cemetery Administration, and staff officers to deliver timely, accessible, high-quality benefits, care, and services to veterans. The reason why the Department of Veterans Affairs strategic plan will be effective for all stakeholders. It's guided by 4 fundamental principles such as access, advocacy, outcome, and excellence. These principles reflect the core values and commitment of VA to serve veterans and their families with dignity, compassion, to be their principal advocate in ensuring that they receive the care, support, and recognition earned in services to the nation, to improve their well-being and quality of life, and strive for excellence in all business operations. Plan sets forth strategic goals that are aligned with the federal government strategic framework and priorities such as the President's management agenda, the cross-agency priority goals, the Government Performance and Results Act, Modernization Act of 2010, and the Foundation of Evidence-Based Policymaking Act of 2018. There are further reasons why the strategic plan will be effective. It defines specific objectives and strategies for strategic goals that are based on evidence, data, research, and innovation. The plan also identifies performance measures and indicators that will be used to track progress and results The plan also outlines how the VA will use various tools, methods to monitor, evaluate, and report on performance, such as dashboards, scorecards, survey, audit, and assessment. The plan recognizes the importance of collaboration, partnership with internal and external stakeholders to achieve a goal. The plan describes how the VA will engage in customer, employees, partners, and other stakeholders' various channels and platforms such as advisory committees, councils, forums, working groups, networks, websites, social media, mobile applications. The plan also highlights the VA will leverage its research and development capabilities to advance knowledge, innovation, and best practices in serving the Department of Veterans Affairs. The plan also acknowledges the challenges and opportunities the VA faces to fulfill its mission in a dynamic, complex environment. The plan addresses some of the key issues and the risks that affect VA performance, such as aging infrastructure, workforce shortages, cybersecurity threats, emerging technology, changing demographic, evolving customer expectation, and increasing demand of services. The plan also describes VA will adapt changing circumstances and pursue continued improvement through learning, feedback, and innovation. At this time, are there any questions? If there are no questions, I will conclude with this. Department of Veterans Affairs strategic plans for all stakeholders. The plan accomplishes an evidence-based document that outlines the vision, mission, goals, objectives, and strategies of the VA for the fiscal year 2022 to 2028. The plan describes how the VA will deliver timely, accessible, and high-quality benefits, care, and service to meet the unique needs of veterans and those who we serve. The plan also explains how VA will build and maintain trust with veterans and family caregivers and survivors, as well as those as employees and partners, through proven stewardship, transparency, and accountability. It is guided by 4 fundamental principles such as access, advocacy, outcome, and excellence. The plan is aligned with the federal government's strategic framework and priorities, as well as feedback from various stakeholders such as employees, Congress, partners, and experts, and leverages the strength and capabilities of the VA's 3 administrations, which are the Veterans Health Administration, Veterans Benefits Administration, National Cemetery Administration, staff officers to achieve the 4th strategic goal, and addresses the challenges and opportunities that the VA faces in fulfilling its mission in a dynamic and complex environment. The plan also describes how the VA will monitor, evaluate, and report on its performance and various tools and methods. The plan also highlights how VA will pursue continuous improvement through learning, feedback, and innovation. And this concludes my presentation. Thank you for your time and have a good evening.